Okay, so the Waste King is installed. Why I went from a Badger to a Waste King? First of all, the installation is cheaper and easier, so this one is half the price of a Badger. And we'll see how good it lasts. So the Badgers, 3 to 4 years before they start leaking here at the bottom, so the motor starts leaking. My garbage disposer already leaking, would have destroyed my brand new furniture. And then, as you can see, there's like all kinds of stains over there because it was leaking through the motor, risk of electrocution and all that stuff. This one seems to be fine. Fuse, easy accessible over here on the side. Doesn't have a way to unlock it, so the Badger has a little thing over here that you could put a wrench on it and you could turn it around. This one doesn't, so I don't know how it's going to get unlocked when it gets locked, which is guaranteed it's going to get locked up by something. But otherwise, installation is pretty easy. Comes with all the gaskets, everything that you need. Plastic, metal. So, you know, typical $40-something, 1/3 horse that you replace every 3-4 years, but a lot easier to replace. So, and it comes with this little piece over here that is really nice. Fits in, gasket instead of silicone, which I also like. Fits my regular sink covers, but it comes with this little cover for water. And of course, it's pretty quiet. So it moves. I don't know who makes these things, but I was done with Badger. I had the Badger installation bracket before, took it off. So I keep replacing Badgers just because I had a bracket. This time I took time to put this new bracket in. This new bracket in, then I will be able to just keep replacing these things. Hopefully never, but if I have to, just really a quick drop in. Locks over here. Dishwasher comes here, and that's it.